Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to hold a clarinet properly. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Sometimes when I see beginners learn to play the clarinet, they mix up which hands go on top and which hands go on the bottom, or they just hold it like this, and that's fine for just learning how to blow into the instrument. But when you want to learn how to actually play it properly, you need to learn how to hold it properly. So I'm going to angle my camera downwards. This video will be very short and sweet, so just stay tuned. And basically you have an upper half of where you're going to place your hands and a lower half of where you're going to place your hands. There are 3 holes at the front on the upper half, 3 holes at the front on the lower half. Take your left hand, place it like this on the upper half. Your left hand controls the upper half of the instrument, okay? On the back of the upper half, there's going to be this hole. You place your thumb there. That's the side that faces you, okay? On the front of the upper half, there are going to be 3 additional holes. Place your index finger, your middle finger, and then your ring finger. Just like that to cover the 3 holes. So your thumb goes on the back, your 3 fingers go on the front. Very, very simple. Makes a cool sound if you play into it like that. Really, really cool. Now, your other hand, your right hand, is going to go on the lower half of the instrument. Take your thumb, place it underneath the thumb rest at the back of the instrument on the lower half. And then at the front of the lower half of the instrument, take your index finger, your middle finger, and your ring finger and cover those 3 holes. Very simple. Your fingers line up like that. And then that also gives your pinkies access to these additional notes if you want to play them. And that is literally it. That is how to hold a clarinet properly. A very, very easy peasy, super easy tutorial. Yeah, I tried to keep it basic and simple. And your thumb also, your left thumb also has access to this extra key up here, just so you know. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.